dear audiences, before coming this table, I really don't know that Nigeria and Niger is different country. I didn't know about that. Let's know about Niger. Which country?
Yes.
Nigeria is west. It is close to Nigeria. We speak French and Nigeria speak English. But we have some similarities. We have like Hausa people and Fulani people. We are actually alike, but we are quite different at one point.
Do you have similar traditional dress also with Nigeria?
Yes, we have very similar dresses because we have Hausa and Fulani. They are both in Niger and Nigeria. So we like most likely wear the same clothes and Kanuri wear the same clothes as them.
You are both independent country?
Yes, we are. We are very independent. Each country has its own government, its own people, and everything is different. All the governments are different from each other.
I have know it. Thank you. Could you tell me about something about your traditional? What is it? What does matter? What is this? For example, is it a hat?
This hat is the hat that Fulani people wear. Fulani people are those people that does elevage. They are behind animals. They take care of animals. They are called Fulani people. They wear this type of hat and this type of clothes. That's what they wear.
So I can wear it, yeah?
Yes, you can wear it and take picture. Yeah.
Hello, Nigeria.
Ajamo, say Ajamo. It is Halo in Fulani. Ajamo.
Ajamo. It's very beautiful. So what is that? This one?
It is like traditional handbag that
Ah,
this one Tuareg people they wear.
like that?
You can put it like this.
Oh my God!
This one
It's
should-
made of hat?
It is made of skin, animal
Skin.
Yes, most likely like cow or different type of skin actually.
Very beautiful, very hardworking things.
Yes, it is traditional and it is fashion. It is very beautiful.
Beautiful, yes, very beautiful. Thank you. Thank you to Gelişim University and thank you to Niger.
Thank you, Gelişim University. Thank you, Al Azem Consulting.
Have a nice fun, enjoy.
You too,
Thank
bye-bye.
you. Bye.
Alazine Consulting.